going to just fix me a quick breakfast sandwich this morning. I have some center cut, thinly sliced pork chop. Of course, it's boneless, so I'm just going to season that up and fix it on the grill. I also have my eggs sitting to the side here, waiting to go on the grill. And I already have my little toaster biscuits made. I'm just having them set to the side till I'm ready to assemble my sandwich. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and get this pork seasoned up and ready to go on the grill. And I'm going to be using this Cavender's Greek seasoning. This stuff is great. You can use this on pork, you can use it on chicken, you can use it on steak. I'll also be using some black pepper and a little bit of salt to season. So I'll go ahead and get that done right now. Okay, I have my boneless pork chop sitting there and all seasoned up. So next I'm going to move over here to the Ninja. So to cook this pork tenderloin or pork chop, I'm going to be using my griddle. So I'm going to place that on top of the Ninja Foodi grill plate. So I'm going to turn my power on. And I'm going to turn my knob and select the barbecue griddle setting. And I'm going to leave it at the default of 400. Click start. It says to shut the lid, and this is going to allow it to preheat. So this will go for a minute or two, and then the fan will kick on and it will finish preheating. It will show a little progress bar, and it will notify me when it's ready to raise the lid and add my food. Okay, my Ninja has preheated, so now I'm just going to place the pork on top of the griddle plate. And to the side I'm going to add an egg, but first I'm going to put down a little bit of avocado spray. And I'm just going to use my spatula and break that yolk a little bit. And season with a little salt. I'm going to allow this to continue to fry and cook until it's ready to remove and place over to my biscuit. That has a very nice non-stick surface. That egg just slides around so easily. Let's see if I can scoop it up on my spatula now. So my egg is done, so I'm going to remove that and place it on my biscuit. And I'm just going to continue to allow that pork to fry until it's fried through. And once it's cooked thoroughly, I'm going to remove it as well and place it on top of the egg and allow it to sit and rest for a minute or two. And then I'll give this sandwich a try. I'll go ahead and check the temperature of my pork right now to see what it's temping out at. It's already showing that it's done. Now the thing about this pork, or any kind of pork, it will continue to cook even after you remove it from the heat. They call it carrying over. And so basically it's done. It's a very thin cut anyway. And once I allow it to set for a minute or two, that internal temperature is actually going to rise even more. So I'm going to go ahead and remove it and place it on top of the egg. I'm going to click stop on my Ninja Foodi, power it off, So I'm going to allow my sandwich to sit and rest for a moment. There we go. And then I'll bring you all back. Okay, I've allowed my sandwich to sit and rest for a minute or two. So I'm just going to place the top on and take a knife and cut down through the middle of this. And as you can see, it literally took no time at all for this to cook on the Ninja Foodi. What, maybe 4 or 5 minutes? So I'm going to go ahead and give this a taste. It's delicious. Nice and juicy. You can see on the plate there the juices that come from it. It's perfectly seasoned. And that Cavender's Greek seasoning, that stuff is delicious on everything. I have a friend, he said he sprinkled it on his popcorn and it was good. But hey, why wouldn't it be? It goes good on everything else. I hope you've enjoyed today's video. And if you'd like to see more videos like this one, be sure to subscribe and make sure that little notification bell is rung. That way you can stay up to date on my videos. And I appreciate you being here. And until I see you in the next video, bye.